Assalamu alaikum students. So this is the next question. Factorize a raised to power 4 plus 3a square b square plus 4b raised to power 4. So this question is just like a previous lecture, a square plus b square, and then we make the formula whole square completion and then complete the a square minus b square. Similarly this question, the first term is a4 and this is the whole square, a square square, and this last term, this term remains same and this is right in form 2b square whole square. Okay, so student, this is the first term square and then second term square. According to formula a square plus b square plus 2ab, this term is not complete the whole square. So this term first term and use this last term. Okay, according to previous, this term solve only these two terms, use only these two terms and complete the whole square according to this one. Okay, this one and this, only these two terms, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus this term, again write in form. Okay, these two terms are given here. These two terms we use plus minus to external term, and this third term write in at the last. Okay, here. And then students, see a square plus b square plus 2ab. According to formula of whole square, these three terms form a whole square formula, which is equal to a square plus 2b square whole square. And these two terms, simplify these two terms, minus 2 2s are 4, a square b square, and the last one is plus 3 a square b square. This whole square remains same and minus 4 and plus 3. So a square plus b square, a square plus b square, it means these are two like terms. So simplify this, minus 4 plus 3, it becomes minus 1. A square and b square, and this is a square plus 2b square whole square minus this term now become ab whole square. So students, here this is again, these are two terms, square term with the sign minus, and according to formula a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. According to this formula, we write this a square plus 2b square, the first term, plus the second term. Similarly again this term, the first term a square plus 2b square, and now in this bracket we use plus ab and now we use minus ab. Okay, so I hope so you understand this one, this important question. Factorize a4 plus 3ab a square b square plus 4b 4, and firstly we use only two square term and complete the whole square and then third term simplify, it becomes simple whole square, and then according to formula a square minus b square we use, and then finally result is formed. I hope so you understand this question, so please like it, but if you have any problem so you can mention in comments. Take care. Allah Hafiz.